today I'd like to talk how to make Koicha. Ta-da! Hello, my name is Sayaka. I'm a guide of Japanese tea ceremony. So today I'd like to talk how to make Koicha. Ta-da! This is Koicha's tool. Do you know Koicha? English is thick tea, strong tea, or dark brown. Uh, Japanese is Koicha. Koicha tastes very, very bitter. But it's delicious Japanese tea. Okay, uh, let's go. Now, let's make Koicha thick matcha. Koicha uses about 3 times the amount of matcha powder compared to regular usucha, thin tea. For regular matcha, we usually use about 2 grams of tea powder, but for Koicha, we use around 6 grams per person. In this video, I'm making enough for 3 people. That because Koicha is traditionally shared among guests. It's called mawashi-nomi, which means that everyone drinks from the same tea bowl in turn. Usually, 3 to 4 people share one bowl this way. So, for today's demonstration, I'll add 3 helping scoops of matcha per person. That's 9 scoops in total. Once the matcha powder is in, pour in a small amount of hot water. Be careful not to pour too quickly, otherwise the matcha may form lumps. Gently pour the water to keep it smooth. Then use a chasen bamboo whisk to mix. When making koicha, I highly recommend using a whisk, and it's best to choose one with fair prongs. Instead of whisking, the movement is more like kneading. But don't go too slowly. Keep a steady rhythm, about twice per second. To prevent the matcha from sticking to the whisk, start by whisking with the chasen held at an angle. Once the tea starts to blend together, gradually lift the whisk upright and continue mixing. After kneading, add a small amount of hot water again. This helps to loosen the thick matcha a little. Just a splash is enough. Finally, give it a gentle mix to finish, and your koicha is ready. Hi, uh, did you enjoy it? Uh, if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching my this video. Uh, s- mm, I'm looking forward to next video. See you next time.